What's going on, y'all? It's your guy Paris. Today I'm gonna show you how I made this Letterman jacket with the 2-color knockout design, 3-color technically because of the coat, but I'm gonna show y'all how I did that. Squad constituent. This one actually I'm gonna end up giving away in the squad some way somehow. It's a size large that I got from Heat Transfer Warehouse. The vinyl was from Heat Transfer Warehouse. The jacket was from Heat Transfer Warehouse. I used some Caesar Sparkle. I used some white wallet cut 5-second press on this jacket, man. Shout out squad, you dig lifestyle, Mike T's, all things style, man. Y'all come join the group. I'm gonna put that right here. Y'all come join the group, man. We be having real fun, man. Having special guests on Saturday Night Lives, and just come rock with us, man. It's a bunch to learn. Paris 12 Gun Apparel. I'll see y'all in a second.
Going apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.
Alright, so I'm in Silhouette Studio. I'm gonna click on my image, I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna go to offset. So you can adjust the offset here. If you want it smaller or bigger, you can do an internal offset, so the offset will go inside of it. But I want a bigger offset, so I'm gonna just leave it as it is. I'm gonna click on my color panel over here. I'm gonna just do it white for the sake of the tutorial, and you can see. Then so I'm gonna select it all. You can either click and drag, or you can hit Control A to select it all. Then I'm gonna go up here to Object, Modify, Subtract All. Give it a second, and so as you see, all that's knocked out. So I'm just gonna hit my Control Z, go back, then I'm gonna select all of this again, and I'm gonna do another offset. I'm gonna leave it big as well, and I'm gonna color this one black so you can see what I'm doing. Bam. Now what I'm gonna do is move this black, or excuse me, Control Z. I'm gonna move this white one out of the way. I actually didn't even have to do the offset on that. So I'm gonna go back. I didn't have to knock it out. Let me see what I'm doing. Or it doesn't matter. Okay, so another offset. I'm gonna leave it as it is, color black. Bam. Then I'm gonna take this white, I'm gonna just delete the white one. I'm gonna line this back up over the black where I want it. Then I'm gonna select all again. I'm gonna go to Object, Modify, Subtract All. Give it a second to do its thing. Click off of it. Now you see I got the knockout. So it will go back. I'm gonna click on this one more time. Color. I'm gonna make it white just so it stands out, so you can see what I'm doing. Bam. So now what I'm gonna do is Control Z, get it back where it was. I'm gonna select it all. And then I'm gonna just get it inside of my cut area. Bam. Uh-oh, something went wrong. Alright, so I'm gonna just hit Control A, so I got everything. Look weird, but it's the cut line threw me off there. So I'm gonna hit Control A, select it all, and then I'm gonna just resize it to fit inside of my Control Z, Control A. What is going on here? Yeah. I'm holding shift to keep it together. Then I'm gonna put it inside of my lines. Bam. I'm gonna remove the red. So as you see, the offset, so it'll fit in there. And we're gonna flip them both horizontally right now. I should have did it while it was together, but it doesn't matter. Oh, and sometimes when you do the knockout, just in case, just go to select that and group it, because sometimes it'll break it apart. So I'm gonna just flip it, send it to the cutter. But for the actual design, I'm not using red and white. So get it cut and I'll be back with you. This is a Letterman jacket from Heat Transfer Warehouse. This is the one, this is the thinner one. This one doesn't have the lining. I think they're $22 or so. But picked them up from Heat Transfer Warehouse. They sent this out to me. You can hit the link in the description if you're interested in one. I'm also using vinyl from Heat Transfer Warehouse. Using a wallet cut express white, and I'm using Caesar Sparkle glitter vinyl, which both from Heat Transfer Warehouse. You can hit that link down below, help out the channel a little bit. I just stuck these together, now they don't want to come apart. There we go. So it's two colors, the white. So let me just go about 4 fingers down. Extra piece of vinyl, I'm glad I caught that. Always check it before you press it. Move this over a little bit. Just using my hands. Hair this way. So I'm gonna just tack this down for a few seconds. So with the wallet cut, it's a 5-second press. With the Caesar, it's a 15-second press. Bring it closer. Make sure it's lined up right. And so before I press this, I'm gonna actually just stick this pad underneath. To raise it up a little bit so I can center it under my heat press a little more. have did it from the gate, but hey. So that's 15 seconds. We're gonna go. On its own. I'm gonna just cover this and just hit it just because I'm layering. So I'm gonna just hit it one more time. There it is. Three-color design, squad constituent. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe. See Paris 12 on Apparel. I'll see y'all next time.
Going apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the